Today we're in Capes Close, Bridgwater, to show you this cracking 2-bedroom terraced house. The property is very centrally located, but you wouldn't know because it feels completely private when you're here. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
You could be with anyone, and I could be with anyone. You're here with me, you're here with me. You could be around, but you could be with anyone, and I could be with anyone. You're here with me.
Up in the garden of this property with a fantastic church view. I hope you've enjoyed the video tour. If you're interested in arranging a viewing, or if indeed you'd like a valuation on your property, please do get in touch.